Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free certificate from the CrateDB. This is a fundamental certification. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to get a CrateDB fundamental certification. So here CrateDB fundamental certification, and in this video I'll share everything you need to know about the powerful database along with the course insight and real world use cases and key concept explained in the simple way. So first question is that what is the CrateDB? So CrateDB is a hyper-fast, open source and multimodal database that combines the simplify of the SQL with the scalability of the distributed architecture. It's allow you to manage structured and semi-structured and unstructured data all in one place. With the CrateDB, you can work with the tabular data, JSON and documented data, time series data, and geospiral data, vector data. This is used for the AI ML use cases and full text search and binary object. All of this is accessible using the standard SQL, making it the extremely powerful and easy to use. Key features of the CrateDB: multiple model database, SQL, NoSQL, flexibility, distributed and scalable architecture, so real-time analytics and high-speed queries, PostgreSQL wide protocol compatibility, and built-in full-text vector search, automatic indexing for the JSON data, and dynamic schema evolution. So how CrateDB works? CrateDB can handle the complex real-world data like Chicago 311 service calls where JSON field store the geolocation data, queries filter data using the geospiral polygons, and aggregation identify top issues. Example, aircraft noise near the airports. So this shows how to CrateDB efficiently process large scale and real time dataset with the advanced querying. Schema flexibility, dynamic and strict. So dynamic schema automatically adapt when a new data field are added. So strict schema enforce the fixed structure for the control environment. This flexibility makes CrateDB ideal for the evolving application and modern data system. Architecture and scalability. CrateDB uses as a shared nothing distributed architecture, meaning data is spread across the multiple node, automatic load balancing, horizontal scaling, and high availability with the self-healing. You can deploy it with the cloud, on-premises, edge, and hybrid. So top use cases of the CrateDB: IoT and time series data processing, real-time analytics dashboard, log and event data analysis, AI and ML vector search applications, geospiral data analytics, and big data platform. So CrateDB fundamental certification detail. So beginner friendly course cover core concept, hands-on learning, focus on the SQL queries, data modeling, and architecture. Certificate awarded after the completing the lesson and ideal for the developers and data engineers and analysts. What you will learn in this course? So introduction to CrateDB and setup, working with the SQL in distributed system, handling the JSON and multimodal data, and querying aggregation and full text search, scaling and performance optimization. So start learning the CrateDB here. This is the URL. I'll provide the URL on description. So this is the CrateDB Academy. Take free course and get certified. So there is a option, you don't have account, you can go with the sign up. So all the details you have to fill, just like a name, first name, last name, email address, company, job role, and nation, and term and condition. I have already created the account, so I'm going for the login. So here I'll provide the username and password. So I have logged in. Now let me open this. So CrateDB Fundamental. Welcome to CrateDB Fundamental course. So what we'll learn, so other details are there, and this is the lessons. What is CrateDB? Getting started with the CrateDB cloud, getting started with the Docker, and installing the crash CLI, loading in data set. So all the details you will get. So this is a very good for the learning about the CrateDB. So all the details, indexing, query data, and with the joins and full text search, and all the details, security. So now I'm going to continue with the course. So what is CrateDB? There is a video tutorial and all the details are there. Why CrateDB, benefits of multimodal database, use cases, and there is a final exam is there. When you will complete this exam, this is the open book exam. So when you will complete this exam, you will get a certificate. So just like a certificate, you looks like this. So complete certificate of completion. This certificate awarded to your name for completing the course and required assessment. CrateDB Fundamental. So your date and sign of the other. This is the certificate you will get after the completing this one, and this certificate is valid for the 3 years. So step by step, we have gone through the how to get 100% free CrateDB fundamental certificate, and all the steps I have shown you. And disclaimer is there: all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. And subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.